Have you ever had problems with large open pores that bothers you and you don't feel confident about? Hi, I'm Anna from Face Yoga Mastermind, and I will show you the ultimate advice of brightening your skin and tighten your pores. If you were looking for the way how to tighten your pores and immediately brighten your skin, here is my small video how to do it. You can do it in the sink or in a bowl of water. Just put ice cubes in it and you can begin the 100 times water splash on your face. If you are lucky, you might have really cold water running from the tap. I don't have in Qatar at all. Important is that the water temperature has to be lower than your body temperature. If not, then just put ice cubes from the freezer. If you want to save water, better you use a small bowl. When you do 100 splash, your skin will feel refreshed and alive. It clears your pores, will tighten them also, and will lighten your skin complex and reduce acne problems if you have any. If you have acne problems, use running tap water so you don't spread them. Plus, you don't need to touch your face while splashing it. It is great if you do it in the morning, definitely it will wake you up because of the cold water. Dry your face with a towel gently. Never rub your face or pull your skin down, okay? Before doing the 100 times splash, you can do some face exercise. Your skin will radiate thanks for the face exercise and cold water splash. It's easy and take less than a minute. Check my video. For the better result, do this in the morning and after your shower. Try it and let me know how you feel. If you like this video, like it, and if you would like to know more skincare tips, visit my Face Yoga Mastermind page on the Facebook or follow me on the YouTube or Instagram. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family so they can get benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching my video.